Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DeWalt 18v batteries is probably one of the most crucial investments for any serious DIYer or professional tradesperson, as these powerhouses fuel your essential tools, ensuring uninterrupted workflow and peak performance on every project, from intricate woodworking to heavy-duty construction, making the right choice paramount for efficiency and reliability. Number 5. DeWalt 18v to 20v battery adapter DCA 1820. This adapter lets you power your existing 18v DeWalt tools with newer 20v max * lithium-ion batteries. It bridges the gap, extending the life and versatility of your favorite equipment. To keep your batteries ready, you'll need a 20v max * DeWalt charger. This ensures proper and efficient power replenishment for your setup. Please be aware that it is not compatible with premium DeWalt batteries when used in DC970 or DC759 tools. Always check your tool model for optimal performance. This adapter is specifically designed for certain battery types and will not function with 20V 60V FlexVolt batteries. Ensure you're using the correct battery for this device. It works exclusively with specific 20V max * batteries, including 1.5 Ah, 2.0 Ah, 3.0 Ah, 4.0 Ah, and 5.0 Ah XR models. Using these ensures proper functionality and power delivery. What we like. This adapter bridges the gap between old and new. It allows you to power your existing 18V tools with modern 20V max * lithium-ion batteries, saving you from buying new tools. If you have a collection of reliable 18V DeWalt tools and want to upgrade your battery system, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Number 4. OHYES DeWalt 18V 4.5 nmH replacement battery. Experience peak performance with these brand new 18V nmH batteries. With a 4,500 mAh capacity, they're designed to power your tools effectively. These batteries are perfectly compatible with a wide range of DeWalt 18V cordless power tools. Please note, they are high-quality replacements, not original DeWalt products. Our upgraded 4.5 Ah batteries offer higher capacity and are lighter than standard NICD alternatives. They provide longer running times, making your work more powerful and efficient. Each package contains two 4.5 Ah replacement batteries for your DeWalt 18V tools. You'll also find a comprehensive user manual to guide you. Enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month quality problem-solving period from the purchase date. Our friendly 24-hour customer service is always ready to assist you with any concerns. What we like. These replacement batteries offer a significant upgrade for your older tools. With a higher 4.5 nmH capacity, they provide extended runtime and are lighter than standard NICD options. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable power source with improved endurance for your classic 18V tools, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no positive product features can be listed. Number 3. ANTRobut 6.5 Ah 18V lithium battery for DeWalt. Experience extreme runtime with this newly upgraded lithium battery. Its 6,500 mAh high capacity provides significantly more power than older NICD batteries, keeping your tools running longer. Crafted from lithium, it's remarkably lighter, making your work easier and reducing fatigue. Unlike older technologies, these lithium-ion batteries maintain consistent performance without attenuation. A built-in intelligent safety system provides comprehensive protection for both your batteries and tools. They meet strict FCC, RoHS, and CE security standards, ensuring peace of mind. Having an extra one is a necessity for uninterrupted workflow. It allows you to work faster, ensuring you can always keep going without waiting for a recharge. Your purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back policy and a 12-month maintenance period. We stand by our products, so please contact us with any questions or suggestions. What we like. Step up your power game with these high-capacity lithium replacements. Boasting 6.5 Ah, they offer extreme runtime and are lighter than traditional batteries, reducing fatigue. If you demand maximum power, long-lasting performance, and modern safety features for your 18V tools, these batteries are designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. unable to extract points as the source is empty. Number 2. Energup 2-pack 18V 7000 mAh DeWalt replacement batteries. Introducing our brand new 18V lithium batteries, designed for your power tools. These 7000 mAh replacements offer reliable and long-lasting performance. These batteries are 100% compatible with all DeWalt 18V cordless power tools. For optimal charging, we recommend the DC9310 DeWalt charger, also available from us. Experience superior performance with these high-quality lithium-ion batteries. Unlike older technologies, they have no memory effect, allowing you to charge them anytime without capacity loss, extending their life and running time. Stay informed about your power levels with the integrated LED charge indicator. This feature allows you to easily monitor its remaining battery life. Rest assured with its certified safety features, including protection against over-discharge, overload, and short circuit. It delivers efficient, reliable, and safe performance for all your tasks. We stand behind our products with a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 13-month warranty. Our 24/7 customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions. For optimal performance, allow it to cool before charging after extensive use. Store it in a cool, dry place, and charge it regularly, especially if used for long periods, to maintain its health. What we like. Experience unparalleled power and convenience with these ultra-high capacity lithium batteries. Their 7.0 Ah capacity ensures extended work sessions, and the integrated LED indicator keeps you informed of the charge level. If you need the absolute longest runtime, modern features, and want to avoid unexpected power loss, these are a top-tier option. What people say. Number 1. Azocek DM18V battery adapter converter with USB port. This innovative adapter lets you use newer battery technologies with your trusted DeWalt 18V tools. It seamlessly bridges the gap, giving your older equipment new life. Do you have DeWalt 20V lithium-ion batteries? This device quickly converts them, providing a perfect replacement for your original 18V DeWalt power sources. It also works with various Milwaukee 18V lithium-ion batteries. Simply attach them, and you can power your DeWalt 18V tools with ease. Designed for versatility, it is compatible with a range of DeWalt 18V NiCad and NMH tools. This ensures your existing toolset remains fully functional. This upgraded version isn't just for power tools. It features a convenient 5V 2.1A USB output port, allowing you to charge your electronic devices on the go. Please remember, this adapter is for powering tools, not for charging your power tool batteries. Always remove the battery from it if you're not using it for an extended period. What we like. This versatile adapter is a game-changer for multi-brand users. It allows you to use both 20V DeWalt and 18V Milwaukee Li-ion batteries with your 18V DeWalt tools, plus it has a handy USB charging port. If you own tools from different brands and want to consolidate your battery system while adding a convenient charging feature, this adapter is an innovative solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.